Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kaz over at Flair Auto Group. I just wanted to do a quick video startup of our 2011 Chevy Camaro. Now this one has the 2LT package paired with a Rally Sport package, so it is considered loaded with options. It's got a really nice exhaust system, 124,000 miles with a green title. Now this one does have a remote start, so let's go and crank it on using that. Really nice looking interior. You also do get a sunroof with this car. You get premium sound system, Boston premium sound system. $124K miles. All right. Oh, by the way, this one does have a heads-up display as well, which is basically what projects the speed onto the windshield, so you can kind of keep your eyes on the road at all times when you're driving. All right, folks, thank you very much for tuning in. If you guys have any more questions about this, do not hesitate to reach out, and I'll be more than happy to assist you guys. Thank you.